Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean off a brand new nose ring. I had it for about a couple weeks, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of regimens that I do to clean off my nose ring. I've had other piercings before, but I never actually kept them that long to actually follow up with the process of keeping them clean. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly what do you need to do to keep your new and fresh nose ring clean. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use hand sanitizer, or you can wash your hands if you want. Can you guys see that? It's 30% hand sanitizer. You can wash your hands if you want. You can use hand sanitizer to get all the the dirt. Make sure if you have nails, make sure that your nails are not dirty or whatever. You just make sure that they're clean and they're not looking a little crusty inside, because you want to be able to get in there and get anything that's stuck inside of your nose ring, like boogies, or if you have any dried up snot, whatever. Because a lot of times we can't even really blow our nose how we want to, because it's a little painful at first. So I'm taking a long time because I just was doing some glitter classes, so it's taking me a while to get my hands clean. That's why I'm using so much hand sanitizer. Okay. Alrighty, so the first thing we do, like I said, we're going to wash our hands real good. Make sure I still got something in my nails. Put some more hand sanitizer. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. I need to use tissue to... Okay. Alright. So, more hand sanitizer again. Get it good. Make sure your hands are... Mine. You want to hit mine? You got to make sure that your nails are clean. As you can see, hands are clean. Okay. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to get some tissue. You can use tissue, you can use cotton balls, or you can use what's the other one? Cotton balls, tissue, or Q-tips. I prefer tissue or Q-tips because I prefer tissue, but the next is Q-tips, and then after that is cotton balls. The reason why I think you should use tissue first, or not cotton balls first, is because when you're cleaning it with the alcohol, sometimes you might have some crust in there. You might even have a little bit of pus. You don't want it to get stuck on the tissue, not the tissue, I'm sorry. It can get stuck on anything. You don't want to get it stuck on the cotton balls, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is, I have my tissue, not a big piece, as you can see. I roll it up. And like I said, I've only had it for a few weeks, but so far there's no sign of infection. It's the normal stuff that it's supposed to be doing. It's going to pus. It's probably bleed a little bit. As long as it's not too pussy and it's not a color, as long as it's not stinking, it's going to still be a little bit sore, but it's not, it's healing. Your skin is literally trying to, take away whatever the foreign object you have in your body. So this is going to lead us to making sure that it doesn't push it out, or it doesn't try to give us like a rejection or inflation from it not wanting to be there. So you take your thing, you fold it. Let me show you guys how I did it. I just took it like this. I folded it. I'm pretty sure everybody know how to do tissue. Like this. Like this. And then you do like this. Okay? Get it? Pour a lot of alcohol on it. Dip it over. Make sure you get a nice amount. See how I got it? You probably can't see it's that damp, but this whole part is damp. You take it, you sit it on your nose, and you just go around in a circle. Go around the nose ring in a circle. Now, sometimes the nose ring might be down a little bit, like mine. It goes down. I have a big nose. It's really thick. So I have to push it up. So I'm going to tell you what we're going to do next when we push it up. That's if you're having that problem with your nose ring going inside. Okay. Alright, so I cleaned it. Not much dirt, as you can see. A little something. I'm going to get another tissue and I'm going to clean it again. Same way I folded it. Fold it down like this. Then you want to fold it over like this. Okay. Tissue. Alcohol. Remember, we're not even touching the side that we're using. Apply the alcohol. Apply it to your nose. Excuse the glitter, guys. I have so much glitter everywhere. Just keep going around in a circle. Go around in a circle. Go around in a circle. Okay, gonna get the area clean. Okay, this one is not bad either. Okay. Now, this is what you want to do next. This is the tricky part. I have nails on, so it's going to be a little tricky for me. You get your third alcohol pad ready. Same way I did it. You fold it. You apply alcohol on it. But this time, what you're going to do is, you're going to fold it like this. One more time like this. What are we trying to do right now? Is we're trying to get a point. Okay? See, y'all, I still got glitter and stuff on my nails. It's okay. Like this. Now, you got your point. As you can see, you have your point right here. This is to clean around it. Okay? So let me show you. I'm going to take this. I'm going to dip it in some alcohol. Same way I did the pads. But remember, I'm trying to keep my point. Okay? So I got my point right here. I'm not touching it. You push your nose ring up. If you have to push the skin down around it, that's fine. Gotta push it up. Gotta push it up. Push it up, let it get up there, and then you clean around it. What is this? What was that? Some pus that just came out? Oh God, was that one of the diamonds on my nose ring? Great. Okay, so you push it up, like so. Okay. Dip it in, get that point. Oh, a little bit of alcohol spilled on me, it's okay. Now once you got it up, take it. Go around it. Okay. Go around it. Then you gotta have it pushed up. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Alright. Okay. So we got it up. We clamped it. Let's try to do it one more time. Up. We push it up. Get it up. You go around it in a circle again. A lot of times when you have a nose ring or any piercings, you're going to have to be doing turning and moving so it can heal the right way and it can create the space it needs to have your hole big enough so you can put other jewelry in it. Not sure how big you guys got your hole, but I got mine a little bit bigger because I don't want to put different jewelry in it. So you just go around it over and over. Okay. Now once you do that, now see, it's looking okay. See, it's a hole. It's there. Just gotta keep pushing it up. Gotta make sure you're turning it. Okay. Huh? Now you can take your hands, re-sanitize them again. Okay? Like I said, with any piercing, you're gonna have to clean and do thoroughly because you don't want to get infections on stuff that we chose to do. Like if we're choosing to get piercings in the body, we're choosing to get tattoos. Who the fuck want to go through having the process of having an infection? It's the mess. Now I did that with my hands, but I'm gonna use. Where is the top? Right here. Alright, I got some Neosporin. This is what I use. It's not much left. This is killing me on my nail right here, y'all. It's like, wait a minute. I'm sorry, y'all. It's killing me. I'm gonna have to redo it again. My sanitizer. Because it's like stuck on my nail. I don't know what type of glue. I must have been using a crazy glue. Okay. I'm going to sanitize my hands again. Okay. And then I'm going to just use my finger. Take it. Apply some over the top. If you can get your finger in there and apply some inside, you can do that too. Just try to get it as close as you could around the base. Or the parts that's like hurting you or they're stiff, the Neosporin will help it not be as bad. So you want to get up in there. Really good. So you apply some on top. And then you push it. Now after you do that, you push it up again. Okay? You push it up again. And then you just let it rock, okay? As you can see, mine is trying to heal. So I'm going to let it do what it does. I'm not going to bother it. I am going to clean it every day and make sure it's healing right. But that is how you successfully take care of a new nose ring. And like I said, with any type of piercing that you're going to get, you're going to have to take proper care of them. You're going to have to make sure that you clean them right. Like I said, you don't want to prevent infection from something that you can't prevent, because clearly this is something that we wanted to do. So if you want your piercing to stay nice and you want it to stay healthy, make sure that you're taking the time to clean it properly every day. Wash your hands, use your alcohol pads, and you can also in the morning, when you wash your face, you can wash your face with soap and water. You can clean that area too. If you're in the shower, you can clean it with soap and water as well. You don't always have to use the alcohol. I use alcohol every day, twice a day, maybe sometimes 3, depending on how this is looking or how it's feeling. In the morning, I wake up, it'll be crusty. That's because it's doing its job overnight. There's nothing I can do when I'm sleeping, because I can't move it around. I can't push it. So it's going to get stuck there, because, again, your body is trying to remember that it's got a foreign object in it, and it don't want to push the object out, or it might do want to push the object out. But in the same token, we don't want that to happen. So to prevent all of that, you make sure you're turning your nose ring every day, pushing it up Like I said, if you're like me, I have a big nose. I love my nose. If you're like me and you have a big nose, you make sure that you're pushing it up, because sometimes the nose rings are about this little. So they're going to either try to go suck in or they're going to push out. They're going to suck in, but they're not going to close unless you're doing what you have to do every day to make sure that you're pushing it up, to make sure that you're moving it around. Okay? So thank you guys again. Oh, wait a minute. Hit subscribe, y'all, because it's free. Hit subscribe, y'all, because it's free for me. Hit subscribe, y'all, because it's free. Hit subscribe, y'all, because it's free to see. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to clean our nose rings, our newly nose rings. And I love you guys. Make sure you guys come back and check my channel out again. I'm going to have some more tutorials because I actually like doing this. So I'll see you guys again.